Once there was a scientist who dedicated her life to unraveling the mysteries of chance and fortune. She was fascinated by the concept of luck, wondering if there was a science behind it. Through meticulous research and observation, she began to uncover patterns and theories, revealing that luck might be more than just random chance. But the question remained: could one actually influence their own luck? Curiosity gripped her as she delved into the world of probabilities and statistics. She discovered something intriguing: the law of large numbers. This law suggests that as an experiment is repeated, the outcome will converge on an expected value. But how does this relate to luck? She pondered. Could consistently engaging in positive behaviors increase one's chances of experiencing good fortune? As the scientist explored further, she stumbled upon the concept of self-fulfilling prophecy. This psychological phenomenon suggests that a person's expectations can influence their behavior, which can cause those expectations to come true. But could this really apply to luck? If one believes they are lucky, could this belief actually influence their actions and outcomes? Intrigued by this idea, the scientist examined the role of optimism in luck. Studies showed that optimistic people tend to be luckier, but was it their positive mindset that brought them luck? Or was there more to it? She discovered that optimists are more likely to take advantage of opportunities, essentially creating their own luck. But then, does that mean pessimists are doomed to bad luck? The scientist's research led her to another theory: the impact of random chance. While some events are truly random, like the roll of a dice, she found that many events that seem random are actually influenced by previous actions. She realized that understanding and predicting these patterns could turn seeming randomness into an opportunity for good fortune. But how could one learn to recognize and utilize these patterns? This led her to the fascinating concept of synchronicity, coined by psychologist Carl Jung. Synchronicity refers to meaningful coincidences that seem to have no causal relationship yet appear to be meaningfully related. Could these synchronicities be a hidden key to unlocking luck? She wondered if paying attention to these coincidences could lead to a greater understanding of how to attract good fortune. As she delved deeper, she found that intuition played a significant role in experiencing luck. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling, can guide decision-making in uncertain situations. But was intuition just a form of subconscious pattern recognition, or was there something more mystical at play? She pondered how one could train their intuition to better tap into the flow of luck. The scientist's journey then took her to the realm of networking and social interactions. She discovered that people who have extensive social networks often encounter more lucky opportunities. But was it just about knowing more people, or was there a specific way to engage with one's network to increase the likelihood of fortunate encounters? She realized that the quality of these interactions might be just as important as their quantity. Her research also led her to the concept of risk-taking. She found that people often considered lucky are those who are willing to take calculated risks. But what was the balance between reckless gambling and strategic risk-taking? She explored how understanding and managing risks could lead to opportunities that others might miss, potentially increasing one's luck. Finally, the scientist studied the power of preparation. She learned that luck often comes to those who are well prepared. This preparation enables them to seize opportunities that others might not even notice. But how does one prepare for luck? She found that continuous learning and adapting were key factors in being ready when opportunity knocks. As the scientist pieced together her findings, a holistic picture of the science of getting lucky began to emerge. It wasn't just about random chance or wishful thinking. It involved a complex interplay of mindset, behavior, and external factors. But could this knowledge be applied practically to improve one's luck? She decided to test her theories in real life. Starting with herself, she applied the principles she'd uncovered, staying optimistic, being open to opportunities, nurturing her social network, taking calculated risks, and always being prepared. But would these actions truly increase her chances of experiencing good fortune? To her delight, she began to notice changes. Opportunities she would have previously overlooked became apparent, and her network of contacts brought unexpected chances her way. But was this just coincidence, or had she truly unlocked the secret to creating her own luck? Encouraged by her own experiences, the scientist shared her findings with others. She taught them the principles of the science of getting lucky, urging them to apply these in their own lives. But would others experience the same increase in fortunate occurrences as she had? As more people adopted her methods, reports of increased good fortune began to flood in. People from all walks of life shared stories of serendipitous encounters, successful ventures, and happy coincidences. But the scientist knew that anecdotal evidence wasn't enough. She needed to quantify these results. She conducted a large-scale study, applying rigorous scientific methods to assess the impact of her luck-enhancing strategies. Participants were instructed to follow the principles she had outlined, and their experiences were meticulously recorded and analyzed. But would the data support her theories? The results were astonishing. The study revealed a significant correlation between the application of her principles and an increase in lucky events. It seemed that the science of getting lucky was more than just a theory. It was a practical methodology for enhancing one's fortune. But what did this mean for the age-old debate between fate and free will? The scientists concluded that while some aspects of life are indeed governed by chance, many lucky occurrences are within our control. By understanding the science of getting lucky and applying its principles, we can tilt the scales of fortune in our favor. But she also recognized the mystery and unpredictability of life, accepting that some things remain beyond our understanding. As she shared her work with the world, the scientist marveled at her journey. She had sought to unravel the secrets of luck, and, in doing so, had discovered a world where science and mystery intertwined. She realized that the pursuit of knowledge, like the pursuit of luck, is an endless journey filled with surprises and revelations. Through her journey, she not only enlightened others, but also transformed her own life, embodying the very principles of luck she sought to understand.